Hello friends, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Setindiabiz. We are back with another informative video for the fruit exporters to obtain their FSSAI food license or registration to get it done smoothly. This video features several key points related to fruit exporters and FSSAI registration requirements. In this video, we'll shed light on current scenario of fruits export sector in India. Licenses required for fruits exporting businesses. Documents required for obtaining license as a fruit exporter. How to apply for a license for exporters. Section 1. Current scenario of fruits export sector in India. India holds second position after China in fruits and vegetables production in the world. According to a report of the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, the value of fresh fruits and vegetables exported from India has witnessed a sharp rise of 20% over the last 3 years, from $1,492.51 million in 2020 to 21 to $1,791.05 million in 2022 to 23. In the coming years, the number is expected to grow more. Major fruits that are exported from India are mangoes, bananas, pomegranates, grapes, and oranges. Not one or two, these fruits are exported to numerous countries. So, you can say that FBOs involved in exporting fruits successfully run their operation need to follow rules and regulations set forth by the regulatory authorities, mainly FSSAI. License required for fruit exporting businesses. The food products made in India have a huge demand across the world. The FSSAI license for exporters ensures the safety of consumers all over the world. When it comes to fruit exporters, FSSAI license is issued by the Central FSSAI Authority. Fruit exporting businesses in India can apply for FSSAI Central License by fulfilling specific document requirements as prescribed. Documents required for obtaining FSSAI license for exporting fruits. Name of importing country. Copy of specifications of products of importing country. Declaration from FBO to follow the standards/specifications of the importing country and not to sell/supply them in the domestic market for consumption in case the product does not meet FSSAI standards. How to apply for a license for fruits export business. The process of applying for a license for fruit exporters involved below steps. Step 1. Refer to how to apply for license or registration manual on https://foscos.fssai.gov.in. Step 2. Click on License or Registration and apply for license or registration on the yellow menu box. Step 3. Click on Apply for license or registration on the red box. Step 4. Select the state and read the note before proceeding. Step 5. Read the group heads of kind of business and select exporters under manufacturer. Step 6. Under exporters there are 3 kinds of businesses. Select your business nature and proceed further. Step 7. Fill in all the mandatory fields as shown in Form B. Please fill the communication details carefully as the authority will communicate with you through the mentioned contact details such as mobile no or email ID etc. Fill GST, PAN, or CIN in the relevant fields as applicable to your firm or company. Step 8. Upload the set of required documents as prescribed. Step 9. Pay the fee through the available modes and apply. Step 10. After completing the payment, a receipt will be generated with a 17-digit reference number which can be used for future reference. Post-application, it's important to track its status to check whether your application of export of fruits license has been approved or not. User can track the status of the application through the homepage, i.e. https://foscos.fssai.gov.in. Following these steps properly can help you apply for FSSAI food license registration and obtain it within the specified time. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We hope this video has provided value to you. For such more informational videos, do subscribe to our channel if not subscribed yet, and don't forget to like and share this video.